F1 TV app. So here you can see, so this is official Formula One app. So there is Formula One app and there is F1 TV apps. These are two different apps. So with TV app, you can watch every race, stream every session, and access every last bit of race data, all ad free on your favorite devices, and you can watch it live or on demand from wherever you want. It gets even better with latest immersive innovation. F1 TV Premium. Build a custom multi-feed live race with multi-view. Watch everything in 4K on a large screen and stream on up to 6 devices at once. So yeah, quite cool access. And then you can just open it up. You accept, and then you need to subscribe in here. So if you subscribe, you can see the pricing. So access essential $30 per year. That's yearly, and it's monthly. It just starts from $3.5 per month. Yearly, it's $85 per year. Premium, $130 per year, and then there is a free trial or not. So that's the idea. So in some of these plans you have free trial, and then you can have it live in 4K UHD. So super cool. Maybe yes. Hopefully it's available on smart TV. Not available on Android. Up to 6 devices. But yeah, that's basically what it is in here. So quite cool. If you like Formula One streaming, that's the app.